There's brand new merchandise for Fantasy Springs here at Tokyo DisneySea, and we're gonna go check it all out. We're inside Fantasy Springs here. We're gonna head inside the Fantasy Springs gift shop where they have the new merchandise. The inside of this shop always amazes me because it's just so gorgeous. And I really love this book. I'll never get tired of this book. But the new merchandise is over here. New items. Oh, so these are little buttons, 600 yen, so it's a blind box. So there's 2 inside? Yeah, there's 2 inside. A little hard to see, but yeah, we got Peter Pan, Frozen. Oh, Pocahontas is on there. Oh, I like that. Bambi. Oh, there's a secret one. That's kind of cute. 600 yen, that's not bad. And we have blind bag, tote bags, 1,500 yen. And this is what one of them looks like. Printed on there quite nicely. For 1,500 yen though, it's a little small. Which ones are there? Oh, so it's all 4 of the attractions, I see. Peter Pan, Fairy Terry, Rapunzel's Lantern Festival, and Frozen. Or if you want to get all of them, you can get the whole thing. Just buy all 4 if you want, for 6,000 yen. And there's some Frozen stuff. Oh, 4 little pouches. Those are cute. How do they cut? Okay, they have little keychains on there. How much is this? 3,800 yen. That's like 31 US dollars, something like that. Oh, this woven badge. They started doing these in the last few years. 900 yen. Cute, you can pin on your bag and stuff. Oh, we got some hair clips. Those are cute too. 1,500 yen. Oh, some fun keychains. Are these wood? Yeah, they're wood. At least it feels like it. 2,400 yen. Those are cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love that. Oh, they have new pins. Oh, attraction pin. We love that. 1,200 yen. Button. 500 yen. That's nice. Oh, blind pins. 1,300 yen. There's 14 to collect. Or you can just buy the whole thing. Oh no, I dropped it. I'm so sorry. I need to do that. Pin collection. How much is it? 9,100. Woo! Price was 14, so that's a lot. Okay. Oh, it's a hair clip. Let's see. 2,500. Anna and Elsa. We have some new ears. Oh, those are pretty with the, what do you call this in the back? Castle? Ribbon? 2,400 yen. These feel nice. That feels like a couch. A nice velvet couch. And then down here we have some little bags. Ah, okay. It's one bag, but 2 sides. Anna and Elsa. Down here we have some hand lotion. Oh, lip balm and hand cream. Anna and Elsa. Yeah, Anna is chocolate romance, and Elsa is white snow tea. Oh, snow milk tea. Okay, those are nice. How much is this? I didn't see a price. 2,600 yen. Then down here we have hand towels. Hand towels? Face towels. That's what they look like in there. Those are nice. 4,000 yen. So if you see anything here that you would love to get, please let me know. I want to hear what you would buy. Now these aren't new. They've had these for a while. They just caught my eye. 4,000 yen. Very cute. This isn't necessarily new, but I know it's new-ish. 2,900. I think it's cute. I think it's sold out for a while and then came back. Then they have Anna and Elsa, bigger Anna and Elsa versions. Oh, you buy them together. Oh, they're like Chip and Dale. You don't separate them. How much are they? They are 5,200 yen. How much was him? 2,900 yen. More new items. So another hair clip, 2,500 yen. So this is all Rapunzel stuff. Oh, what's this? This is a scarf? It's a cute little scarf. It's very soft. Oh, that's very pretty. Very pretty indeed. How much are you? You are 3,200 yen. I feel like I've seen this before. Maybe I'm wrong. They've been making a lot of miniature versions of the ears. So it's 1,500 yen, little keychains, which I think is very brilliant. And got a woven badge, 900 yen of the attraction. And a little pouch. Very cute, 2,900 yen. Oh, we have a leisure sheet. Remember, you use these when you sit down waiting for a parade. So you're not sitting directly on the ground. You sit on a nice little leisure sheet. It's smaller than a picnic sheet, but we would consider a picnic sheet back in the West. 950 yen. So it's the same thing? Yeah, same thing. It's cute. Oh my goodness. No way. They made miniature versions of the hats from the Lost Boys. 1,400 yen. So they have the Lost Boys hats still, right? Those are not new. They've had those since the park. this part of the park opened. But these are new. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. And they made hoodies. So it's ML, so it's one size. Oh, I don't know if this will fit me. It looks like it might be too short. That is really cute though. You'd have to try it on. 6,500 yen. I love the little hats. Oh, that is so good. Look at the little hats. Oh, why is this so good? Come on. That is great. That's wonderful. You can have a complete look. Look at the little tail and the ears. This is the one I have. I have that hat. I have that hat. Yeah, this is good. These are really good. I do love it. I do love it a lot. 1,400 yen. Okay. Oh, 65. Yeah, they're all 65. Look at the little tail. It's so good. I like that a lot. And it's perfect for winter. The stuff is definitely warm. It's fleece, right? And I like the little pouch in there and everything too. Ugh, come on. Which one of these would you get? I want to know. Who are you? Which one are you? I'm that one. I'm the raccoon. So this is a new one. This is not. They've had this one for a while, but it's still very pretty. 2,400 yen. Is this new? I don't know. But we'll look at it anyway. 5,900 yen. Large? Large and medium they got. Nice Olaf. It's very soft. Oh my goodness, it's cheese! And it's the bigger version of him. When they made the small one, it sold out instantly. And it looks like the small one's gone again, or maybe they discontinued it, who knows? But you can get a bigger version. Cheese is in the Fairy Terrier attraction, 4,200 yen. He's so soft. Cheese, we love you. Oh, they have some new Fancy Springs hotel merch. What is this? How much are you? Who is she? How much is she? Oh, that's nice. 55. Looks like a little coin purse. It's too small for a wallet, I'd say. I'm doing this all one-handed, by the way. Yeah, there's no room for cards, so it's hard to say. I guess maybe just a little coin purse, fancy coin purse. Or you can put your pass in here, I guess. It's very pretty. I personally wouldn't get this. This doesn't really fit my aesthetic, but I'm sure there's some of you out there that this is perfect for. Oh, we got the dragonfly on here. A little hard to see. But you can see the dragonfly on there. That's nice. Oh, this is new. It's a little drawstring backpack. That's funny. Little Tinkerbell wings. That's actually kind of practical. 3,900 yen. That's very pretty. Oh, we have a cheese headband. Oh my goodness, 2,400 yen. Cheese, buddy, we love you. Cheese. Is this new? I'm not sure. Everything's starting to blend together now. 1,900 yen, that's cute. I think this has been around. That's been around, okay. This looks new. Keychains, 2,700 yen. Fairy Terry, Busy Buggies, 900 yen. Yeah, small version of that, of the ears, 1,300 yen. So yeah, they have the ears. They've had these for a while, 2,200 yen. Yeah, this stuff isn't new. So I do have a video that I did last year that shows all the Fancy Springs merchandise because they still have a lot of it. So you can watch that video after this one because I'm not going to go over the stuff that's been around for a while. I'm just focusing on the stuff that's new. Like this woven badge, 900 yen. I kind of like those. Is this new? 1,200 yen. We do love attraction pins. Those have been here since the dawn of time. Same with this one. They have Fancy Springs hotel merchandise here too. This is all stuff that's been around for a while, so you don't need to be a hotel guest to buy it. You just have to come in here and anyone can purchase it. They do have a special bag that's only for hotel guests. You have to show your room key for that. And I just wanted to let you know that I do have a Patreon, so if you want to support us over there, you can. And every month I do a Q&A, so you can submit questions to the Q&A and I'll answer them and help you plan your trip. And it's a great way to support the channel too. That's really pretty. I'll put a link in the description for you. I'm not sure if this is new either. I think I might have this one. I don't remember. 1,200 yen. Merchandise rotates so quickly, I can never remember. Remember, explorers, if you're planning a trip to Tokyo Disney Resort, you got to check out our guidebooks on Tokyo Disney Resort and Universal Studios Japan. We have 4 guidebooks in total that helps you plan your entire trip from start to finish, deciding the best time to visit, what vacation packages to get, what hotels to choose, how to conquer these parks. We have made the vacations of a lifetime for many explorers, thousands of explorers even. So make sure you go check them out. You can scan the QR code up on the screen or visit our website, TDRExplorer.com. Of course, I had to buy something. I got this to go with my hat. That is so cute, isn't it? Look at it. It's so adorable. I had to get it. This is good. I want to know, what items would you buy that I saw in there today or that I showed you today? Please let me know in the comments, okay? I really want to know. All right, explorers, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.